This portrait asked me to draw one of my friend, and she flatly refused not only to be photographed for reference, but also to pose for sketches. She wanted me to draw it from memory, as I imagine her. Such images of the soul are becoming quite popular in the circles of mysticists, sectarians, and other women's clubs. I do not see the aura and other nonsense, but I definitely often see people more insidious than they really are. In this portrait it will be clearly visible, but this time it even played into the hands, as this girl considers herself a witch or something. She asked me about the portrait about a year ago, but then I thought that I should only create something to the brim full of meaning and labor. And in the end I was getting bulky time-consuming projects that I couldn't just give to someone as a gift. But since then, I have realized that it is more valuable for people to receive something that may not have an aesthetic value, but directly related to their own persona. Therefore, cool caricatures and portraits performed on quays or resort towns are so popular. Tourists take hundreds of identical photos of sites and landscapes instead of going to the local gallery, which is probably full of unique images by local artists with a cheap price tag. But they don't spare money for another countless image of themselves. The cult by the name Self-Magnificent. But everything is good. Your world exists only while you are alive. Each person is the center of his own universe. This is dictated by the limited nature of the interpersonal communication. You can empathize, but no matter how hard you try, you will not be able to put on the skin of another person, become one with it. To do this, humanity needs to go to the level that has never been seen before, the unification of each individual consciousness into a single network. Endless conflicts will end. Will disappear the need for pseudosciences as a lame assistant in understanding yourself and surrounding. And finally, no one will need portraits. But she definitely liked it.